Hey guys, Winston here, and I just want to recap on our recent visit to the MSI booth at this year's Computex 2024. One of the highlights of the show was their Meg Vision X AI desktop gaming PC, which was packed with a load of features, including a massive touchscreen front panel display powered by AI. Another thing that caught my attention at their booth was their Cubi NUC. For those who don't know what a NUC is, it's an acronym for Next Unit of Computing, a bare bones mini PC standard developed by Intel way back in 2012. However, having said that, it seems that over the past few years, a lot of manufacturers are going back in producing NUCs. Why? Well, these mini PCs are compact in size and pretty powerful in terms of performance, and they offer a lot in terms of connectivity and versatility for business, IoT and media applications. Now let's take a closer look at the MSI Cubi NUC. There are two models. The first one, the Cubi NUC 13MQG, features an Intel Core i7 1365U with Intel vPro for enterprise and enhanced security. While the second model, the Cubi NUC 1MG, features an Intel Core 7 150U. The MSI NUCs are compact in size with a total internal capacity of only 0.82 liters. Both models come with an integrated micro SD card reader, 2 DDR5 SO-DIMM slots, and 2 M.2 slots for SSDs. And there's even room for one 2.5-inch SSD. For connectivity, you get 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 HDMI ports, and 2 2.5 gigabit LAN, as well as 4 USB 3.2 ports. The unit is VESA mountable and can support up to 4 displays. It also features MSI Power Link, which you can power the Cubi NUC via selected MSI monitors. What's interesting about the Cubi NUC is the fact that it's designed with energy efficiency in mind and uses eco-friendly packaging, as well as post-consumer recycled plastic materials for its constructions. For this reason, both of these devices won the Computex 2024 Sustainable Tech Award and the Red Dot Award 2024. So well done to MSI for this achievement. So that was a quick recap on the Cubi NUC, which was showcased at the MSI booth at this year's Computex 2024. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website for more Computex coverage. Until then, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.